The DJI Mini 5 Pro is the most technically advanced mini drone you can possibly buy. DJI have absolutely smashed it out the park with this drone, with its full 360 obstacle avoidance sensors and of course its LiDAR mapping system. However, this is going to be an active track test, not for the faint-hearted, because what I'm going to do on this video is flip this active track test completely on its head, and rather than starting off in a wide open area like this, then gradually making the task a little bit more difficult. Oh no. Welcome to the gauntlet. This is flipping the obstacle avoidance tests on its head, and we're starting in the hard part, where to complete this test, the drone has to follow me through all of these bushes overhanging, and literally going to be having centimeters to spare either side of the props. Can the DJI Mini 5 Pro do it with its obstacle avoidance and its LiDAR sensing capabilities? Let's find out. Now, to begin with, there is some things we have to change in the DJI Fly app to enable this to all work. So I've gone ahead and changed those to set us up to be able to bring you this test. So we're going to crack straight on with it. And basically, this could be the last time I ever see my DJI Mini 5 Pro in one piece. But on this channel, I put the active track and, of course, the obstacle avoidance and the drone itself to the ultimate tests. So then, basically, you know, at the end of the day, if I buy a watch that's waterproof to 100 meters, I might not ever take it to 100 meters, but it's nice to know that if I dropped it in the sink, it would survive. Similar thing to the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If it can survive this, most of the other things I'm going to want to do with it is going to be pretty easy. So we've got it to follow us from behind. It's already put itself in a really stupid position. So let's see what happens. Right, so let's go ahead and start walking. Come on, figure it out. There we go. Come on then. Come on, Mini 5 Pro, you can do this. Come on. Come on. Figure it out. Figure it out. There we go. Right, so come on then. You can do this. Poor drone. Poor drone. Why do I do this to them? Come on then. Right, we're getting to a really tricky bit here. So let's see what the drone does. Right, so I've lowered it to the minimum flight altitude. What I'm going to do is I'm hoping I can adjust this in flight. So the inner height, okay, so the inner height, we'll just reduce that further, just to allow it to go quite low. Mind you, it's already set low, isn't it? So we'll set 0.5, and then let's go. Come on, make it through, make it through. Come on. Come on. Come on, you can do this. Come on. It's been very cautious. Very cautious. Come on, there's loads of space. Come on. Come on. You do it. Figure it out. You've got tons of space. Oh, there we go. It did hit, finally. Right, come on. Right, I'm not walking slow here. I'm getting on with it. Come on. You can do it. Oh, this is where it gets tricky because, like I said, these leaves are moving. So I am trying to help it. It's not going to get through here. It is just not going to get through here. It can't do. Ridiculous. No freaking way. How? Come on. No way. Oh, guys, come on. What I put these drones through is just incredible. But it's following me. Oh, avoid that. Right, how's it going to get through here? Can I even get through here? Come on. Come on. Nearly there. No freaking way. Come on. Come on. Guys, this is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Obviously, I'm at walking pace, you know, because I don't want to start slipping. It has rained massively recently. So now I don't think it's going to get through here. If it doesn't, we'll give it the benefit of the doubt. We might have to stop the drone and give it a chance. Come on. Nah, it's not going to get through here. It can't do. It cannot get through here. It cannot get through here. Come on. Come on. Through. Come on. You can do this. It's not hard. Right. We might need to give it some help just for this little bit. Stop. Stop that. Right then, so we had to just stop that test because there was a dog walker, which has drained a hell of a lot of my battery. Okay, so I just had to hover while he came and seemingly wanted a chat. So let's just see if the drone can make it through here, which is, again, a ridiculous task. I don't think I'll be able to make it through. Come on, figure it out, come on. Oh my God, it has as well. No freaking way. Oh, sugar, come on. Come on, you can do this. God, I'm gonna fall over in a minute. Right, if it can get through here, this is so narrow, man. So narrow. Surely not. Surely not. Obviously, I'm not helping the drone because I have to keep stopping to get my footing. So that's not ideal. But my God, look what it's doing. Come on. Come on, you've been through worse than that, mate. Now it's about to get really narrow, so I very much doubt it'll be able to get through here. Like, this is incredibly narrow. Let's just clear the path just a tiny little bit. Give it a bit of a chance. Still don't think I'll be able to do it, like, but will it be able to? Oh my God. No freaking way. Come on. How is this drone doing this? Yeah, it's not going to be able to get through here either. Literally not going to be possible. Let's see if I can give it a bit of a... Bearing in mind, guys, I'm talking like this is very built up. Yeah, it's not going to be able to get through there. It's going to be too cautious. Come on. Come on. Oh, nearly. Come on. Come on. Right. It can make it through, but...
sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
There we go. Let's give it a bit of a helping hand. We have to, guys. What we're expecting it to do is just ridiculous. Right, come on. And again. Yeah, it just won't be able to get through here. It's just physically impossible. The drone cannot get through here. Right, come on then. Let's finish this test. You can do it. Come on, you're not getting an easy ride. I'm speeding up, picking up the pace now. Come on. Come on, you can do this. Absolutely incredible what this drone is doing. Come on, you can get through. Come on, come on, come on, come on. That's going to be a trouble, I think. Look at it. How is it doing this? Oh, we're nearly at the end. Nearly at the end. If it can do what it's done already, it can do this. Come on. Come on, nearly at the end. You've got this. Oh my God. What a test. What a test. There was a couple of little struggles, don't get me wrong. Come on, can you follow me through here? Can you do it? Can you do it? Yes, you can. Come on. A 21% battery. We can do this. This is going to be another tough bit here. Let's see what it can do. Got lots of terrain changes just up here. Look at this, guys. No drone should be flown in this area. Ridiculous. It's not going to get through there. Wow. Come on, 19% battery. We have to get to the end of this course.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Come on, get through, right at the end.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Come on, what are you going to do? Come on. Right, here we go. Sorry, not been as much talking as what I would like, because what I'm asking it to do is ridiculous. Come on, you can do it. Come on, go on, go on. Right, mud, puddles, everything. I would say this drone has just absolutely smashed it. Let's stop, cancel that, and let's land the drone.
Landing.
Wow, what we have just witnessed with this DJI Mini 5 Pro is absolutely ridiculous. Now, don't get me wrong, there was a couple of times where we had to give it a little bit of a helping hand. That's only natural. Literally, some of those, there was barely enough space for me to get through. So how we can expect the DJI Mini 5 Pro to get through? It was pretty unrealistic. I have done this obstacle avoidance test before, but it was a couple of years ago. It was much less overgrown, okay? So what this drone has just contended with is absolutely phenomenal. And to be honest with you, I'm a fan of this technology as well. I cannot wait to get home and not only make this video for you to be able to watch, but watch just how close this drone actually got to some of those sort of branches and everything else. And as you can see, well, maybe you can't, but it is still pretty windy, okay? Let me just turn the camera around. If you just look at the tops of those trees over there, okay, it is pretty windy, and obviously if you pull up a Drone Companion, you can see that as well. So basically what this drone has just achieved is absolutely fantastic. So that is the end of the obstacle avoidance and active tracking test with the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you found it entertaining, of course, please do hit that thumbs up. It tells YouTube algorithm more people just like you might want to watch my content. Subscribe if you're awesome, and until next time, thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.